Yeah, right. He say the motor shake. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be crazy when it's over. That engine running, gang.
Perfect.
What's swinging, gang? What's swinging out of us, gang? Chee. Today, we finally getting Sasha's first startup. You know, this is unprecedented. First one in the United States with BMW M5 M6 intercoolers on a BMW X6M. And if you don't know what that means, let me show you right here exactly what that means. Yeah, they way bigger. So we finna get over here right now to Agua Dealer, get this first start up. They putting the coolants and all of that stuff in it, recharging the AC, and it's finna go down, gang. You know, I mean, I know y'all been waiting a long time, but damn all that talking, let's go. So we at the gas station because we had to stop and gas up, but you already know what we taking to go pick up Sasha. Hold on, let me flip this camera. So the engine already forged. We already put the forged engine inside. You know, if you guys haven't seen this car in a while, that's why you haven't seen it, because the engine was blown. But we did put forged rods, forged pistons, nice. And thank you very much. Thank you.
I've seen you around.
So we finally got it back. The engine is forged, and this car is going crazy. If you watch my IG, you will see all the Project Gamma goodies we bought for this engine. You know, this engine will be at least 950 wheel horsepower to the wheels, minimum 950. This car is getting the full works just like Sasha. And good thing about the M5 and the M6, it doesn't need upgraded intercoolers because it comes with the bigger intercoolers from the factory. But we do have upgraded from factory intercoolers, Project Gamma intercoolers. So yeah, this car is going to be an animal, gang. It's getting an entire brand new carbon fiber kit on it. So we taking this carbon fiber kit off it and putting a totally different carbon fiber kit on it. But it's gonna be crazy. Just pulled up. Got the M6 cooling off. Yeah. See what's going on with this first start. Flip this camera around. Hey, ain't that something, gang? Last time we came, we had the most reliable car brand on the lift. Now we got one of the most least reliable. What's going on, guys? How everybody doing? All right, cooling. What's going on with the Audi? Starter motor. It's not too bad. Starter. Ooh, look at that pretty thing. Look at that pretty thing, gang. Got the AC machine going. What's going on? Cooling. Oh my God, y'all check that out, gang. Check that out. Gorgeous. Got the downpipes in. You see the intercoolers are all the way installed. Intercoolers fully installed. New hose routing. Got the new hoses routed. Everything out the way. Nothing touching the belt. Nothing touching the fan. Yeah, it's gorgeous, gang. She gorgeous. Yeah, so we finna get this first startup started here soon. So that engine running, gang. With M5 M6 intercoolers. That's the man right there. Boy.
Don't mind the smoke, that's the heat wrap smoke. So.
That's the heat wrap. We got heat wrap on the downpipes and on the intake, the header manifold. So that's just we got this type of stuff. We got the titanium on there.
Yeah,
so
it should be here.
Yeah, I just showed them right here.
Yeah.
We got that titanium on there. So
very itchy stuff.
It's very itchy stuff. So it's just burning off up under there. You see the car running. Pure stage 2 turbos. Hey, if you find another X6M, X5M with these on it, you let me know. Look, it's custom all the way down there, gang. Everything custom. Anywhere in the United States, running. Not no picture of them on the car running. Let me let you hear this. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Gang, Sasha finally running. You know, hey, we finally did it, gang. So we're gonna let her warm up, finish putting it back together, and I'm gonna do the 500-mile break-in. And I'm gonna put her back on the dyno to see if just having the turbos and the intercoolers on the net any more horsepower before I tune it. And I'm gonna take it to the track again before I tune it to see if forging the engine, upgrading the turbos, and putting the intercoolers on the run a quicker time before I tune it. You know, just for scientific purposes. You know, just so y'all can see what it do. But yeah, we're gonna finish putting it back together. But everything running good. Y'all know where to come. That's the man right there. Y'all know where to come. Y'all know where to come to get them forged engines. Everything put back together. Idling smooth. You see we had to modify the engine cover. But everything running good. We didn't hook the meth up yet because I'm gonna wait till we put the fuel pump in to hook the meth up. So once the fuel pump go in, then the low pressure upgraded fuel pump, then we'll hook the meth up. I'm not getting the car tuned right now anyways until I get those rear axles, so no need to have the meth even hooked up. But yeah, gang, I just want to see how smooth she run. Look, the engine don't shake at all, don't move. And look how clean she idle. Listen to this idle. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Gorgeous. Now that's the most aggressive looking engine bay I ever seen.
Motor shakes a lot, boy.
Yeah, right. He say the motor shaking. That joker idle so clean. So the only thing we didn't put on, gang, is this front crossbar that used to hold the air box, because we got to get that custom made so it'll clear these intercoolers. So we gonna do that, powder coat that, and powder coat these charge pipes candy red, and we in there. We in there then, gang. We in there like swimwear.
3 days later.
So I know y'all haven't seen this site in a long time, especially if you've been following the channel and you've been subscribed to the channel for a while. Yuri and Sasha both back at home. You know, this is actually a, let me pop this hood. If I can get to it, there we go. This is actually a few days later after picking Sasha up. You know, so not in this video, but subscribe so you can see I'm going over everything that we did in the next video. As you can see, she looked crazy. I mean, she looked crazy, you know. So I'm on the last oil change because I've already did one 15-minute of idling on the lift. We drained the oil, filled it back up, 200 miles, changed it again, another 200 miles, changed it again, and this is the last oil change, which is the 500-mile oil change. And I mean, a lot of people might think that's excessive for the oil change on a brand new engine, but not at all. You know, it's better to be safe than sorry. So after these 500 miles, then we can go ahead and she should be good and broke in, because I mean, that's about 1,000-mile break in there instead of the regular 500 mile. So then I'm gonna go ahead and contact Matt at Cedar Performance so we can get this baby tuned, you know. But like I said, like, share, and subscribe. And on the next video, I'll let you guys know exactly what all went into making Sasha's engine 1200 horsepower ready, and what all it took to get these intercoolers on this engine from the M6, and should it be done, and will it be able to be done again. So, Auto Lust out.